Stay tuned for more. Yo, what the deal, world? Your boy Little Chris back. Real quick vid, man. Got the Mutilator out. She Barry sitting over there. We still tweaking her, but we're gonna try to go outside and get us a little test run today, man. We're gonna see what she doing, what she capable of. We ain't expecting much. You see she ain't complete, but I wanna go out and test her. Still gotta give me some straps. Had to make me a battery tray. Well, I took the one out of my Hyper 7 that I had made because I'm in again the components I need for her. Let me just go ahead and rebuild her back. But man, I'm ready to test her out, man. Wanna get out there on that street. I can't get the typing out like I wanna. So we're gonna see what this gonna do. No, we still tweaking her, man. We still tweaking her. I got my motor mount a little more level. And I've been keeping up with my vids. Now, she had a little slope on her. Like I said, man, we budget build, we did what we had to do, and I'm gonna get a permanent fix for her. She still got a little lean to her, but it's not as major. So you know what I'm saying? We can get that tightened up, figure out what I need to do, excuse me, to get her going. Again, I'm running my Success St. Colossus setup. The 7th scale, had it for a while, so this is a budget build. The Ofna Mutilator was a nitro. I went ahead and pulled everything out, converted it over. Still got chassis and stuff, and hold on one second. Yeah, like I said, still got chassis and stuff, and depending on what I can get my hands on as far as the arms, diff housings, and all that, if I can get everything that I need to get her back nitro, I'm going to take this and just build her back nitro. Like I said, still got everything that was on it. Just took the servo, but yeah, still got everything that's supposed to be on it. It's new screws, new hardware, you know, made that happen. But back to the start of the show. We're gonna get her out. We're gonna get her out. We're gonna get her out. Just see what she's doing up and down the street, man. Just to be able to hear, tested her out before, but I couldn't drive her like I wanted to. And like I said, I had more of a lean on my motor mount, so still got some miles to do on that. But I think she's looking rather good for what she was. Budget build, baby, budget build. That's what we do. So, y'all be patient, man. We can get out there on the run. Then I can get in here and cook dinner. Yeah. Bust down RCs, then cook dinner. That's what we do. Holla at your boy. We in this. Like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what I need to do. Let me know what y'all want to see. Start talking about that Mugen in a minute. Like I said, that's going to be the only nitro that I have on hand so far. So, we about to start working on her. We about to start getting her right. But man, y'all stay tuned for this first run video of the Ofna Mutilator. Conversion, baby. It's your boy, Lil Chris. We'll be back. Peace. what up? Quick run on you that I put me in. We got the Mugen out here though. Not the Mugen, but I'm out here with the Mutilator. The conversion. So wait for the car to move. Gotta go in there and do some programming. Then start the truck. Open it up like I want to. 32. And it ain't full throttle. Can't be out here long, man. It's getting wet out here. I'm liking it. Don't scream it, though. Don't know me. To get in the house though, you gotta first good run of the Mutilator. I hope y'all enjoy it. We'll be back. We'll be back. Stay tuned. Yo, what the deal, man? My video didn't record when I just recorded my last video, so yeah. I know y'all saw that. First run, Mutilator. Think she did rather well. You know, she was nitro. This is a conversion. Big old percentage of nice size pan. She did get up 32. I mean 37. I'm sorry about that. Zoom in on that. For the little area that I had in. I think she got way more in her. And if the conditions were better, I could have opened it up a little bit more. Okay. It's the stock servo that came with her when I got her, so it stopped to me. The only thing I added was the electronics, and I made me a motor mount. Or the vehicle, so the kits and stuff that they probably sold back in the day. Couldn't find them, so I did make me a motor mount. She wasn't a perfect 90, but we shimmed her up, and we're gonna pull it up and make sure we got her down secure. That way I won't have no issues with her. Want to make sure she end up good. So still got some work to do. Just happy to be able to show y'all the progress so far. Still got to get battery straps. Do something about the tires, because I need some new tires. I ain't gonna lie about that. So if I can find something just as thick, but build it, man, I'm gonna look out for them. And that'll probably be what we'll put into her until we get our system. So once we get the 8S set up for, that'll be all I do to her, and try not to tear up. Try not to break her. But the goal is to have her running an 8S system. So be on the lookout for this Ofna Mutilator. So somebody hitting the doorbell, gotta go. Peace.